Assalamu alaikum viewer. In this story, I will tell you how you can fix the mid jam paper problem in Pentium P3302DW printer. So let's start. Here you can see the problem mid jam not clear. You have to open the door. Here you can see that this is the Pentium printer and you have to just open the door and pull out the toner cartridge with drum unit. And now you can see the page is stuck inside the printer. You have to remove this page. After that your problem will be solved. So here you will see that the page is entered from the second tray and it jump in the middle of the printer. You just have to remove this page. After you have to fix the toner cartridge in the printer by same method like this, and you have to close the door. After that you can use it. Now you can give the command from the printer, from the system. It is warm up. After warm up it will be in the ready state, then you can give the command. So let's give the command. You have to just give the control P from the keyboard, and now here you can click on the print button. After, you can either put the paper from the tray 1 or 2. I am just using a tray 1. You have to give the paper like this from the tray 1 or from the tray 2. Now we have already gave the command. It will pick up the paper. Just we have to wait it for few seconds. It will feed the paper. Let's this here you can see that it is feeding inside the paper and it is printing duplex side. Here you can see it has been successfully printed. If you find this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe this channel. For more information you can visit the channel and comment.